Hello, my name is Griffin, and today I will show you what the Pythagoras theorem is and how to use it to calculate the hypotenuse of a right triangle. The Pythagoras theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is the number of the length of this side length. B is the length of this side length. Once you have the length of each side length, you want to put the a side length here and the b side length here. So next what we have to do is find c squared. To find c squared, you must square a, then you must square b, and add those two numbers together. You will then get c squared. Once you get c squared, to find the final length of the hypotenuse, you have to find the square root of c squared. Next, I have an example. So first what we want to do is find a, which is this. Then we want to find b, which is 3. Then we want to write out the equation. 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. Next, what we want to do is square them. So 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 9, which equals c squared. After we square them, we want to add them together. 16 plus 9 equals 25. After that, we want to find what the square root of 25 is. So the square root of 25 is 5. So the hypotenuse of this triangle is 5. Show you another example. So we find 15, which is a, then we find 8, which is b. So 15 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. Next, we want to square 15 and 8. 15 squared is 225. 8 squared is 664. Together, those still equal c squared. Next, we want to add them together. 225 plus 64 equals 289. After we do that, we want to find the square root of 289. The square root of 289 is 17, which makes the length of the hypotenuse 17. Hello, I have our final example to show you, but for this example I would like you to try it before I explain it. So right now, pause the video and attempt the example, and unpause when you're ready to see the explanation. So first, what we want to do is find a. A is 8, or it could be 6 if you want it to be. But I made a 8, and b is 6. So 8, oh, that's kind of ugly. 8 plus 6 equals c squared. And 8 and 6 are also squared. Next, what you want to do is square 8 and 6. So 8 is 64, and then 6 squared becomes 36. Another c squared. Next, what we want to do is add them together. So 64 plus 36 is equal to 100, or equals 100. Next, we have to find the square root of 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. The length of this hypotenuse is 10. I hope you all enjoyed my video.